सज्जनों, अब चले उस बहुप्रतीक्षित क्षण की ओर, उस ऐतिहासिक पल की ओर। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, आपसे अनुरोध है कि कृपया अपने कर कमलों से महाजेनको के 1980 मेगावाट कोराडी थर्मल पावर प्रोजेक्ट को राष्ट्र को समर्पित करें। हार्दिक धन्यवाद। इस ऐतिहासिक उपलब्धि के लिए सबको बधाई और अभिनंदन। अब हम इस विकास यात्रा पर एक छोटी सी वीडियो प्रस्तुति देखेंगे।
Mahagenco, Maharashtra State Power Generation Company Limited, is one of the prominent power galaxies in India. The heart of Maharashtra's overall development, pumping growth across the world's second most populous sub-national entity. The state contributes over 20% of India's GDP, and the inseparable nature of this contribution and electricity points to Mahagenco as the fundamental growth engine. Mahagenco has a generation capacity of 14,017 megawatt. Amongst all state power generation utilities in India, Mahagenco has the highest installed capacity after National Thermal Power Corporation. Mahagenco remarkably makes consistent improvements to ensure that its power generation is efficient, optimal and reliable. In the past few years, Mahagenco has almost doubled its installed capacity through various new thermal projects. Recently, Mahagenco has successfully completed its power projects at Koradi, comprising 3 supercritical 660 megawatt units, 2 units of each 500 megawatt at Chandrapur and 250 megawatt unit at Parli. Its Shivajinagar Sakri solar project of 125 megawatt is one of the biggest solar projects in Asia located at a single site. Mahagenco strongly believes in conservation of natural resources through maximum recycling of resources. In this pursuit, another key highlighter of Planet Profit Partnership success at Mahagenco is its sewage water recycling project at Dhandewadi, Nagpur, which supplies treated water to its Koradi supercritical plant with a massive daily capacity of 130 million litres of sewage water. This milestone plant is the first of its kind in India regarding wastewater management in any big city.
Honorable Prime Minister has announced Make in India, and we are trying to fulfill that dream through Make in Maharashtra.
Mahagenco has readied a historic 42,000 crore investment plan for capacity additions in the next 15 years. We are changing ourselves. We are changing the nation. Mahagenco, the name of power, the name of passion.
अपनी प्रत्येक नागपुर यात्रा पर नागपुर को विकास की सौगात देने वाले माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का हार्दिक धन्यवाद। सभी अतिथियों का हार्दिक अभिनंदन और आभार। अब माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी और अतिथिगण प्लांट के निरीक्षण के लिए प्रस्थान करेंगे। आप सभी एक बार तालियों से उन्हें धन्यवाद दीजिए और सभी अभी कृपया अपने स्थान पर ही रहें। माननीय अतिथिगण के प्रस्थान के उपरांत ही हम सब विदा लेंगे।